I'm Ty Collins. I'm an independent manufacturer's rep for Orec. Independent manufacturer's reps are the eyes and ears of the manufacturer, and we work with rental and sales distributors. Our job is to help support sales, product support, and we even help with marketing. We want to make sure our rental houses and our dealers are successful in what they're doing with the Orec product. What I like about Orec is, coming from a rental background, Orec is such a unique product. It's a third-generation Japanese manufacturer. They've been around for 75 years, and they bring a really, really unique product line to the marketplace with brush cutting, snow removal. It's very compact, very rugged, which means it's good for the rental houses and it's good for the end user. The Cyclone track flail mower is a unique piece of equipment that can tackle really, really tough brush jobs. Its rubber tracks give it added stability. With a Honda engine, it's very reliable. The Cyclone doesn't bog down like a typical mower does. It can knock over saplings, heavy saplings up to 1 3/4 inches. Heavy grass, uses its power to knock over brush and pull it into its 38 spinning flail blades. The Cyclone leaves a fine mulch behind that makes it easier for cleanup, or it can be left in the ground for nourishment. With its dual track drive, the Cyclone can operate on slopes up to 25 degrees. Due to its track drive system, the Cyclone is great for marshy areas and retention ponds. The Garden Quake is a rear tine tiller perfect for all types of tilling applications. Rugged and reliable, small enough to transport, easy for the end user. The great thing about the Garden Quake tiller is that it's not hard on your body. It's great for the end user. Unlike other manufacturers, the Garden Quake's smooth to operate. It's easy to use and you don't go home feeling sore at the end of the day. The Brush Rover is available in a 2-wheel drive and a 4-wheel drive option, but they both handle heavy brush, saplings, and steep slopes with ease. The Brush Rover may look compact, but don't be fooled. It's one tough piece of equipment. Operators on the Brush Rover will realize very quickly, if you can knock it down with the Brush Rover, it'll eat it. If you're a property owner, landscaper, or contractor, the Brush Rover needs to be in your lineup. The Trailblazer is a great piece of equipment. It's a tracked transporter with an expandable bed to allow different types of payload up to 650 pounds. It can climb steps, go through a man door, operate on hard or soft surfaces. If you need to move material in unique, compact spaces, the Trailblazer is the piece of equipment for you. The Rhino is a zero-turn, ride-on snowplow. It's compact, it's easy to transport. For contractors with a truck-mounted plow, the Rhino fits perfectly in the bed of a pickup truck. In this day and age, labor is tough and time is money. Simply put, the Rhino is a labor saver. It's great for commercial jobs that can plow snow from 3 feet up to 4 feet with its extensions. The Rhino keeps the contractors on schedule and profitable. The Snowbow is a compact, track-driven snowplow. The Snowbow has the power to clear heavy snow and packed ice on any sidewalk or surface. Unlike snow blowers, the Snowbow can handle heavy, wet snow and also tackle icy conditions. Orec is a great line of products to sell, and we're all looking forward to seeing what Orec has to offer in the coming years.